नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः। राम राम राम। सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं व्याहरामि। I welcome you all to the class number 12 of Learn to Chant Sri Shankara Digvijaya Sara. Like always, let us start our class by doing our salutations to the Guru Parampara, our Gurus, Granthakartas and Shankaracharya. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो आपादमौलिपर्यन्तं गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये. In the last class, we had the revision of the first 45 shlokas. And before that, we had completed till shloka number 72. Let us continue from shloka number 73 in this class. So the words in this shloka are Sa Jatu Sharirika Sutrabhashyam Adhyapayan Abhrasarit Samipe Shishyali Shankaha Shamayannuvasa Yavat नभो मध्यमितः विवस्वान् यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान्. Few points of sandhi to note are Shishyali Shankaha Shamayan, Shishyali Shanka Shamayan. So this is only one place where we'll have to note the sandhi, and remaining the Mahaprana and other things we can identify. With this, let us start today's learning. Sajatu Shariraka
Shariraka-sutra-bhashyam
Adhyapayan Abhrasarit Samipe Shishyali Shankaha Shamayannuvasa Yavannabho Madhyamitah
Yavannabho madhyamitah
Vivaswan Sajatu Shariraka Sutrabhashyam
Sajatu Shariraka-sutra-bhashyam
Adhyapayan Abhrasarit Samipe Shishyali Shanka Shamayannuvasa
Shishyali Shanka Shamayannuvasa शिष्यालि शङ्काः शमयन्नुवास
यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान्
यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान् यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान्
स जातु शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम्
स जातु शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम् स जातु शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम्
अध्यापयन्नभ्रसरित् समीपे
अध्यापयन्नभ्यसरित् समीपे अध्यापयन्नभ्यसरित् समीपे
शिष्यालिशङ्काः शमयन्नुवास
शिष्यालि शङ्काः शमयन्नुवास शिष्यालि शङ्काः शमयन्नुवास
यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान्
यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान् यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान्
उत्तमम् प्लीज टेल द श्लोका ट्वाइस
स जातु शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम् अध्यापयन्नभ्यसरित् समीपे शिष्यालि शङ्काः शमयन्नुवास यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान् स जातु शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम् अध्यापयन्नभ्यसरित् समीपे शिष्यालि शङ्काः शमयन्नुवास यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान्
उत्तमम् one day when Sri Shankara was explaining to his disciples the sutras and the commentary relating to the body, basically the Sharirika Sutra Bhashya, and its concept and clearing all their doubts, the sun rose to the top of the sky. So starting from the morning till afternoon, Sri Acharya Shankaracharya used to teach the disciples related to the commentaries that he had written. Let us see what happens next. The words in this are Shranteshu atha adhitya Shranteshvathadhitya Shanaihi Vinayeshu Shanair Vinayeshvacharya. So here this is one word. So to ensure that the chandas is not broken, we will have to tell it in the same way. Shanair Vinayeshvacharya Uttishtati Yavadeshaha. Prithvi, can you please go on mute? तावत् द्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कस्त्वं किम् अध्यापयसि इत्यपृच्छत्. These are the words. Few sandhi points in this. Dvijah kaschana, the jihamuliya, or basically dvijah kaschana, that is how we will have to pronounce here. So that is the only thing. And next here is kastwang kimadhyapayasi. Kastwang kimadhyapayasi, the fifth letter, ka kha ga gha nga. That is the variation that we'll have to tell. Okay, Prithvi, please repeat after me. Shranteshvathadhitya
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य
शनैर्विनेयेषु
शनैर्विनेयेषु शनैर्विनेयेषु
आचार्य उत्तिष्ठति
आचार्य उत्तिष्ठति आचार्य उत्तिष्ठति
यावदेशः
यावदेशः यावदेशः
तावद्विजः
तावद्विजः तावद्विजः
कश्चन वृद्धरूपः
कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः
कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसि
कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसि कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसि
इत्यपृच्छत्
इत्यपृच्छत
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य
शनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्यः
शनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्यः
उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः
उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः
तावद्विजः कश्चन
तावद्विजः कश्चन
वृद्धरूपः
वृद्धरूपः
कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसि
कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसि
इत्यपृच्छत्
इत्यपृच्छत
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य शनैर्विनेयेषु
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य शनैर्विनेयेषु
आचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः
आचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य शनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य शनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य शनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः
तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः
तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः
कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत्
कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत
तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत्
तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत
उत्तमं, प्लीज रिपीट इट ट्वाइस।
श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य शनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्य शनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत
Uttamam. So when the disciples got tired after the order's study, the guru got up. At that time, an old Brahmana appeared and asked, "Who are you, and what is that you are teaching to your disciples?" So now this is an interesting episode in Sri Shankaracharya's life and let us learn them through these shlokas. The next shloka, the words are Shishyaha tamuchuhu bhagavan asau naha. Shishyastamuchur bhagavan asau naha. Guruhu samastopanishad swatantraha. Anena दूरीकृत भेदवादम akari shariraka sutra bhashyam. So one point to note about the sandhi, gurus samastopanishad swatantraha. So let us learn this shloka now. Shishyastamuchuhu
शिष्यास्तमोचुः
Bhagavanasau naha.
भगवानसौ नः
Gurus samastopanishad
गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत्
swatantraha.
स्वतन्त्रः
Anena दूरीकृत भेदवादम
अनेन दूरीकृतभेदवादम्
akari
अकारी
shariraka sutra bhashyam.
शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम्
शिष्यास्तमोचुर भगवानसौ नः.
शिष्यास्तमोचुर्भगवानसौ नः
गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत् स्वतन्त्रः.
गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत्स्वतन्त्रः
अनेन दूरीकृत भेदवादम् अकारि शारीरक सूत्र भाष्यम् I'll tell once again. शिष्यास्तमोचुर्भगवानसौ नः.
शिष्यास्तमोचुर्भगवानसौ नः
गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत् स्वतन्त्रः.
गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत्स्वतन्त्रः
अनेन दूरीकृत भेदवादम् अकारि शारीरक सूत्र भाष्यम् उत्तमम्. Please repeat it twice.
शिष्यास्तमोचुर्भगवानसौ नः गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत्स्वतन्त्रः अनेन दूरीकृतभेदवादम् अकारि शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम् शिष्यास्तमोचुर्भगवानसौ नः गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत्स्वतन्त्रः अनेन दूरीकृतभेदवादम् अकारि शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम्.
Uttamam. When this question was asked, all the disciples said, "He is our Guru, our God. He has understood the meaning of all the Upanishads very well." He has an unobstructed capacity of the mind, Swatantraha. He has written commentaries on the Shariraka Sutras or the Brahma Sutras. He has destroyed the theory of the differentiation or the Bhedavadam. This is how they will introduce Shankaracharya to the Vriddha Brahmana who came there. Let us see the next shloka. The words in this are Papracha Saha Adhyayam Athadhikritya Sodhyayam Athadhikritya Tritiyam Arambhagatam Yatisham Tadantaretyadikam Asti Sutram Bruhyetadartham Yadi Vetha Kinchit. The Sandhi points that we will have to note here are Arambhagatai Yatisham and similarly Bruhyetadarthai Yadi Vetha Kinchit. The Anunasika will the Anuswara will change into the Anunasika Yakara, Ya with the Chandrabindu. So with that, Pragun, can you please repeat after me? Pragun, you are on self-mute.
Ram Ram
Okay,
Ram, sir.
please repeat. Ram Ram Ram. Shruyate. Please repeat after me. Paprachhasaha.
Paprachasaha. Paprachasaha.
Adhyayamathadhikritya.
Adhyayamathadhikritya. Adhyayamathadhikritya.
Tritiyamarambhagatam.
Tritiyamarambhagatam. Arambhagatam.
Yatisham.
Yatisham. Yatisham.
Tadantaretyadikam.
Tadantaretyadikam. Tadantaretyadikam.
Asti sutram.
Asti sutram. Asti sutram.
Bruhyetadarthai yadi.
Brohyetadarthayadi. Brohyetadarthayadi.
Vetha kinchit.
Vetha kinchit. Vetha kinchit.
Uttamam, please repeat in the same pace, in the same speed as I say. Paprachhasodhyayam.
Paprachhasodhyayam. Paprachhasodhyayam.
Athadhikritya.
Athadhikritya. Athadhikritya.
Tritiyamarambhagatam.
Tritiyamarambhagatam. Tritiyamarambhagatam.
Yatisham.
Yatisham. Yatisham.
Tadantaretyadikamasti sutram.
Tadantaretyadikamasti sutram. Tadantaretyadikamasti sutram.
Bruhyetadarthai yadi.
Brohyetadarthayati. Brohyetadarthayati.
Vetha kinchit.
Vetha kinchit. Vetha kinchit.
Paprachhasodhyayamathadhikritya.
Paprachhasodhyayamathadhikritya. Paprachhasodhyayamathadhikritya.
Tritiyamarambhagatai yatisham.
Tritiyamarambhagatai Tritiyamarambhagatai
Tadantaretyadikam तदन्तरेत्यादिकमस्ति सूत्रम्
तदन्तरेत्यादिकमस्ति सूत्रम् तदन्तरेत्यादिकमस्ति सूत्रम्
ब्रूह्येतदर्थै यदि वेत्थ किञ्चित्
ब्रूह्येतदर्थं यदि वेत्थ किञ्चित् ब्रूह्येतदर्थं यदि वेत्थ किञ्चित्
धन्यवादाः पृथ्वी प्लीज रिपीट द श्लोका ट्वाइस
पप्रच्छसोऽध्यायमथाधिकृत्य तृतीयमारम्भगतं यतीशम् तदन्तरेत्यादिकमस्ति सूत्रम् ब्रूह्येतदर्थं यदि वेत्थ किञ्चित् पप्रच्छसोऽध्यायमथाधिकृत्य तृतीयमारम्भगतं यतीशम् तदन्तरेत्यादिकमस्ति सूत्रम् ब्रूह्येतदर्थं यदि वेत्थ किञ्चित्
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः let us see the meaning of this shloka now. So then the Vriddha Brahmana, the old man, then asked to Sri Shankara, if you have understood the meaning of the first sutram in the chapter 3rd, that is the Tritiyodhyayasya Prathamam Sutram of the Brahma Sutras, which is a part of Tadantara Pratipatyadhikaranam, please explain it. So Tadantaretyadikam Asti Sutram. So if you know the meaning of this sutra, please do explain. This is the question that the Vriddha Brahmana will ask Shankaracharya. The next shloka, the words in this are Sa praha jivaha karanavasade samveshtito gacchati bhuta sukshmaihi tandishrutau gautama jaiviliya prashnottarabhyam prathitoyamarthaha. So Gautama Jaiviliya Prashnottarabhyam is one word. So we'll have to tell it in the same way. So now the points to give focus on the Sandhi, Jiva Karanavasade, and here Samveshtito. It is Samveshtitaha is there. Samveshtito. This Anuswara will be changed to Anunasika Vakara. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Sapraha
सप्राह
जीवः करणावसादे
जीवः करणावसादे
संवेष्टितो गच्छति
संवेष्टितो गच्छति
भूतसूक्ष्मैः
भूतसूक्ष्मैः
ताण्डिश्रुतौ
ताण्डिश्रुतौ
गौतमजैविलीय क्षम्यतां गौतमजैवलीय is the right thing. गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम् प्रथितोऽयमर्थः सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे
सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे
संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः
संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः
ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय
ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय
गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम्
गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम् गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम्
प्रथितोऽयमर्थः
प्रथितोऽयमर्थः प्रथितोऽयमर्थः
सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे
सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे
संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः
संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः
ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम् प्रथितोऽयमर्थः
ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम् प्रथितोऽयमर्थः ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम् प्रथितोऽयमर्थः
उत्तमम्, please repeat it twice.
सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम् प्रथितोऽयमर्थः सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्याम् प्रथितोऽयमर्थः
Uttamam. So then Sri Shankara started with his answer. He said, when the individual soul loses this physical body, it goes to another world with a subtle body. This subject is also explained in the Tandishruti in the form of a question and answer between the two sages Gautama and Jaivali. This is the answer which Shankara gives. We'll go to the next shloka. The words in this shloka are Evam vadantau yatirad dvijendrau vilokya parshvasthita padmapadaha acharya maheti mahisuroyam vyasohi vedanta rahasya vetta. So these are the words in this shloka. Now I request Nilima to repeat after me.
नमस्कारः महोदय।
Namaste. Evam vadantau.
एवं वदन्तौ
So please note one sandhi point here. I missed to tell it. So after this evam vadantau, it will become. So this anuswara will change into anunasika vakara. I will tell again, so you can repeat it. Evam vadantau.
एवं वदन्तौ
Yatirad dvijendrau.
यतिराड्विजेन्द्रौ
So one point to note in this pronunciation, it is a bit special word. Yatirad dvijendra. So when we tell it fast, we may not hear this dvi. Yatirad dvi. We may skip this particular dakara. So yatirad dvijendra. We'll have to give a slight pause so that the dvi is heard correctly. Bilokya.
विलोक्य विलोक्य
पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः
पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः
आचार्यमाहेति
आचार्यमाहेति आचार्यमाहेति
महीसुरोऽयं
महीसुरोऽयं
व्यासो हि
व्यासो हि
वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता
वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता
एवं वदन्तौ यतिराड्द्विजेन्द्रौ
एवं वदन्तौ यतिराट् द्विजेन्द्रौ एवं वदन्तौ यतिराट् द्विजेन्द्रौ
विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः
विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः
आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम्
आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम् आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम्
व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता
व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता
एवं वदन्तौ यतिराड्द्विजेन्द्रौ
एवं वदन्तौ यतिराट् द्विजेन्द्रौ एवं वदन्तौ यतिराट् द्विजेन्द्रौ
विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः
विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः
आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम्
आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम् आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम्
व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता
व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः पृथ्वी प्लीज रिपीट इट ट्वाइस
एवं वदन्तौ यतिराड्द्विजेन्द्रौ विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम् व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता एवं वदन्तौ यतिराड्द्विजेन्द्रौ विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयम् व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता
उत्तमं so then Shri Padmapadacharya, who was sitting by their side observing both the speakers, the questioner and the person who is answering, the old Brahmana and the great sage Shankara, said to the Acharya, this Brahmana is none other than the sage Vyasa. Vyasa himself has come, who has understood the subtleties of the entire Vedanta. Let's see what and how Shankaracharya would react to this statement. In this shloka, the words are Itidam akarnya vacho vichitram sa bhashyakrit sutrakritam didrukshuhu kritanjalistam prayataf pranamya babhana vanim navapadya rupam. These are the words. A few sandhi places in this are kritan didrukshuhu, it will become a nakara, and then prayatah pranamya and Vanin Navapadya Rupam. When we tell it together. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Itidamakarnya
इतीदमाकर्ण्य
Vacho Vichitram
वचो विचित्रम्
Sabhashyakrit
सभाष्यकृत्
Sutrakritam Didrukshuhu
सूत्रकृतं दिदृक्षुः
Kritanjalistam
कृताञ्जलिस्तं
Prayatah Pranamya
प्रयतः प्रणम्य
Babhanavanim
बभाणवाणीं
Navapadya Rupam
नवपद्यरूपाम्
Itidamakarnya
इतीदमाकर्ण्य
Vacho Vichitram
वचो विचित्रम्
Sabhashyakrit Sutrakritam
सभाष्यकृत् सूत्रकृतम्
Didrukshuhu
दिदृक्षुः
Kritanjalistam
कृताञ्जलिस्तं
Prayatah Pranamya
प्रयतः प्रणम्य
Babhanavanim
बभाणवाणीं
Navapadya Rupam
नवपद्यरूपाम्
Itidamakarnya Vacho Vichitram
इतीदमाकर्ण्यवचो विचित्रम्
Sabhashyakrit Sutrakritam Didrukshuhu
सभाष्यकृत् सूत्रकृतं दिदृक्षुः
Kritanjalistam Prayatah Pranamya
कृताञ्जलिस्तं प्रयतः प्रणम्य
Babhanavanim Navapadya Rupam
बभाणवाणीं नवपद्यरूपाम्
Please repeat it twice.
इतीदमाकर्ण्यवचो विचित्रम् सभाष्यकृत् सूत्रकृतं दिदृक्षुः कृताञ्जलिस्तं प्रयतः प्रणम्य बभाणवाणीं नवपद्यरूपाम् इतीदमाकर्ण्यवचो विचित्रम् सभाष्यकृत् सूत्रकृतं दिदृक्षुः कृताञ्जलिस्तं प्रयतः प्रणम्य बभाणवाणीं नवपद्यरूपाम्
Uttamam. So on hearing these illustrious words of Sri Padmapada, Sri Shankaracharya bowed down to this gentleman with folded hands, became anxious to see the author of the Brahma Sutras, Sutrakritam Didrukshuhu, in his real form and began to praise him through prayers. The next shloka, the words in this are Dvaipayana Swagatamastu Tubhyam Drishtva Bhavantam Charita Mayarthaha Yuktam Tadetatvayi Sarvakalam Paropakara vrata dikshitatvat. The last pada is complete one word. Paropakara vrata dikshitatvat. These are the words. A few points of sandhi. Bhavantan charita. So we'll have to pronounce the fifth letter of the chavarga, cha cha jajanya, and then yuktan tadetat. Yuktan tadetat. So these are the 2 points which we'll have to note. Nilima, please repeat after me. Dvaipayana. Can you hear me, Nilima? Okay, seems to be some network issue. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Dvaipayana.
Dvaipayana, Dvaipayana,
Swagatamastu tubhyam.
Swagatamastu tubhyam, Swagatamastu tubhyam,
Drishtva bhavantam.
Drishtva bhavantam, Drishtva bhavantam,
Charitamayarthaha.
Charitamyarthaha, Charitamyarthaha,
Yuktan tadetat.
Yuktan tadetat, Yuktan tadetat,
Tvayi sarvakalam.
Tvayi sarvakalam, Tvayi sarvakalam,
Paropakaravrata.
Paropakaravrata, Paropakaravrata,
Dikshitatvat.
Dikshitatvat, Dikshitatvat,
Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam.
Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam, Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam,
Drishtva bhavantam charitamayarthaha.
Drishtva bhavantam charitamyarthaha, Drishtva bhavantam charitamyarthaha,
Yuktan tadetat tvayi sarvakalam.
Yuktan tadetat tvayi sarvakalam, Yuktan tadetat tvayi sarvakalam,
Paropakaravrata dikshitatvat.
Paropakaravrata dikshitatvat, Paropakaravrata dikshitatvat,
Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam.
Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam, Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam,
Drishtva bhavantam charitamayarthaha.
Drishtva bhavantam charitamyarthaha, Drishtva bhavantam charitamyarthaha,
Yuktan tadetat tvayi sarvakalam.
Yuktan tadetat tvayi sarvakalam, Yuktan tadetat tvayi sarvakalam,
Paropakaravrata dikshitatvat.
Paropakaravrata dikshitatvat, Paropakaravrata dikshitatvat,
Uttamam. Please repeat it twice.
Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam, Drishtva bhavantam charitamyarthaha, Yuktan tadetat tvayi sarvakalam, Paropakaravrata dikshitatvat, Dvaipayana swagatamastu tubhyam, Drishtva bhavantam charitamyarthaha, Yuktan tadetat त्वयि सर्वकालं परोपकारव्रतदीक्षितत्वात्।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. Shankara says, "O Dvaipayana, born on an island, hey Vyasa, I welcome to you. On account of meeting you, all my virtuous deeds, so far whatever I have done, if at all I have done, have borne the fruit. It is befitting of you to give your darshana, because your vow is to help others all time. Paropakara vrata dikshitatvat." This is how he will praise Vyasa. The next shloka. Akari yat sahasam atmabuddhya bhavat prashishya vyapadesha bhaja. Again, this is one complete word. Vicharya tat sukti durukti jalam arhaha samikartumidam kripaluhu. These are the words. Few sandhi points. Arhas samikartum. Arhas samikartum idam kripaluhu. The kavarga panchama of the fifth letter of the kavarga. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Akariyat sahasam
अकारयत् साहसम्
atmabuddhya
आत्मबुद्ध्या
bhavat prashishya
भवत्प्रशिष्य
vyapadesha bhaja
व्यपदेशभाजा
vicharya tatsukti
विचार्य तत्सूक्ति
durukti jalam
दुरुक्तिजालम्
arhas samikartum
अर्हः समीकर्तुम्
idam kripaluhu
इदं कृपालुः
akariyat sahasamatmabuddhya
अकार्यत् साहसमात्मबुद्ध्या
bhavat prashishya vyapadesha bhaja
भवत्प्रशिष्य व्यपदेशभाजा
vicharya tatsukti durukti jalam
विचार्य तत्सूक्तिदुरुक्तिजालम्
arhas samikartumidam kripaluhu
अर्हः समीकर्तुमिदं कृपालुः
akariyat sahasamatmabuddhya
अकार्यत् साहसमात्मबुद्ध्या
bhavat prashishya vyapadesha bhaja
भवत्प्रशिष्य व्यपदेशभाजा
vicharya tatsukti durukti jalam
विचार्य तत्सूक्तिदुरुक्तिजालम्
arhas samikartumidam kripaluhu
अर्हः समीकर्तुमिदं कृपालुः
Uttamam, please repeat it twice.
अकार्यत् साहसमात्मबुद्ध्या भवत्प्रशिष्य व्यपदेशभाजा विचार्य तत्सूक्तिदुरुक्तिजालम् अर्हः समीकर्तुमिदं कृपालुः अकारि यत्साहसमात्मबुद्ध्या भवत्प्रशिष्यव्यपदेशभाजा विचार्य तत्सूक्तिदुरुक्तिजालम् अर्हः समीकर्तुमिदं कृपालुः.
Uttamam. Next, Shankaracharya will pray to Vyasa, saying that I pray to you to be merciful to correct the wrong words in these commentaries, which are written with an amount of boldness by me, a person of mediocre ability, who is your disciple in the fourth order or the fourth degree. So Vyasa, from Vyasa to Shuka, Gaudapada, Govinda Bhagavatpada, and then Sri Shankaracharya. Sri Shankaracharya says, I have taken a bold step in writing commentary to the work or the sutras that you have composed, and I know I might not have done it in a very right way, and hence please review it and correct me. That's what he will pray to Vyasa. Let us see the next shloka. The words in this are Itham nigadya uparatasya hastat nigadyoparatasya hastat hastadvayenaadaratah sa bhashyam adaya sarvatra niraikshatasau prasada gambhirya gunabhiramam. Again, the last pada is complete one word. The sandhi points Ithan nigadya and Adaratasya bhashyam. Adaratasya bhashyam. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Ithan nigadya
इत्थं निगद्य
uparatasya hastat
उपरतस्य हस्तात्
hastadvayenaadaratah
हस्तद्वयेनादरतः
sabhashyam
सभाष्यम्
adaya sarvatra
आदाय सर्वत्र
niraikshatasau
निरैक्षतासौ
prasada gambhirya
प्रसादगाम्भीर्य
gunabhiramam
गुणाभिरामम्
इत्थन्निगद्योपरतस्य हस्तात्
इत्थन्निगद्योपरतस्य हस्तात्
हस्तद्वयेनादरतः सभाष्यम्
हस्तद्वयेनादरतः सभाष्यम्
आदाय सर्वत्र निरैक्षतासौ
आदाय सर्वत्र निरैक्षतासौ
प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम्
प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम्
इत्थन्निगद्योपरतस्य हस्तात् हस्तद्वयेनादरतः सभाष्यम् आदाय सर्वत्र निरैक्षतासौ
आदाय सर्वत्र निरैक्षतासौ
प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम्
प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम् प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम्
Uttamam, please repeat it twice.
इत्थन्निगद्योपरतस्य हस्तात् हस्तद्वयेनादयतः स भाष्यम् आदाय सर्वत्र निरैक्षतासौ प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम् इत्थन्निगद्योपरतस्य हस्तात् हस्तद्वयेनादरतः स भाष्यम् आदाय सर्वत्र निरैक्षतासौ प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम्.
Uttamam. And then, with great reverence and respect, sage Vyasa took the commentaries from Sri Shankara with both of his hands and perused all the portions of the work, which was excellent in style, diction, and the meaning. So, in this, we can actually see the qualities or the characteristics of the Mahatmas. We all know Shankara is one of the greatest sage, and Vyasa is again one of the greatest of the sages. So both of them show their humility, the humbleness in their act or in their conduct. So this is one thing which we should definitely learn, the Guru Shishya Bhava, in which we will have to behave. So with this, let us stop today's class. I will chant all the shlokas that we have learned today, and then I have one or two announcements to make, and then we will do the revision. So I request all the students to raise your hands, and then so that we can do the revision. सजातु शारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम् अध्यापयन्नभ्रसरित् समीपे शिष्यालिशङ्काशमयन्नुवास यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान् श्रान्तेष्वथाधीत्यशनैर्विनेयेष्वाचार्य उत्तिष्ठति यावदेशः तावद्विजः कश्चन वृद्धरूपः कस्त्वं किमध्यापयसीत्यपृच्छत् शिष्यास्तमोचुर्भगवानसौ नः गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत् स्वतन्त्रः अनेन दूरीकृतभेदवादम् अकारिशारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम् पप्रच्छसोऽध्यायमथाधिकृत्य तृतीयमारम्भगतं यतीशम् तदन्तरेत्यादिकमस्ति सूत्रम् ब्रूह्येतदर्थै यदि वेत्थ किञ्चित् सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः ताण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमजैवलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्यां प्रथितोऽयमर्थः एवं वदन्तौ यतिराड्द्विजेन्द्रौ विलोक्य पार्श्वस्थितपद्मपादः आचार्यमाहेति महीसुरोऽयं व्यासो हि वेदान्तरहस्य वेत्ता इतीदमाकर्ण्यवचो विचित्रम् सभाष्यकृत्सूत्रकृतं दिदृक्षुः कृताञ्जलिस्तं प्रयतः प्रणम्य बभाणवाणीन्नवपद्यरूपा द्वैपायनः स्वागतमस्तु तुभ्यं दृष्ट्वा भवन्तं चरितामयार्थाः युक्तं तदेतत्त्वयि सर्वकालं परोपकारव्रतदीक्षितत्वात् अकार्यत्साहसमात्मबुद्ध्या भवत्प्रशिष्यव्यपदेशभाजा विचार्य तत्सूक्तिदुरुक्तिजालम् अर्हः समीकर्तुमिदं कृपालुः इत्थन्निगद्योपरतस्य हस्तात् हस्तद्वयेनादरतः स भाष्यम् आदाय सर्वत्र निरैक्षतासौ प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम्. So one of the announcements that I have to make is I haven't completely evaluated all of your assignments. So I have evaluated some of your assignments, and for few of you I have also sent the review. And I would like to complete this task by end of this week. So please have some patience. I have received a few mails saying asking for the review. So because of my other commitments, I couldn't complete it before. So I plan to complete the review of all your assignments by end of this week. So that is one announcement. And one more announcement is coming Sunday, which is Guru Purnima. So I plan to do the complete Parayanam of Sri Shankar Digvijaya Sara on that day. I will probably send the details over email to you, which you have already registered to the course. So you'll be receiving the email related to the timings and the mode or the means through which we'll be doing the Parayanam. And I request all of you also to take part in this Parayanam, since it is Guru Purnima and Loka Guru or Jagat Guru is Shankara. And hence it will be very meaningful to do the Parayanam on Guru Purnima. With that, let us start with the revision. Okay, let me call out the names. Chakradhar. 1 minute, I'll unmute you. Yeah, Chakradhar NR.
Namaskarah.
Namaskaraha.
Sajatu sharirakaसूत्रभाष्यम् अध्यापयन्नभ्रसरित् समीपे शिष्यालिशङ्काशमयन्नुवास यावन्नभो मध्यमितो विवस्वान्.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very well recited. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Girija Srinivasan. 74th shloka. Shanteshu.
Sir, நான் வந்து லேட்டா வந்தேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 ஸ்லோகா எனக்கு ஸ்கிரிப்டும் வரல. இப்போ வந்து 76 ஸ்லோகா ஸ்கிரிப்ட் மாத்திரம் தான் இருக்கு.
Okay, no problem. Then you can tell the 76th shloka.
இப்பவே வா?
Yes.
पप्रच्छसोऽध्यायमथाधिकृत्य तृतीयमारम्भ घतं यतीशं तदन्तरेत्याधिकमस्ति सूत्रं ब्रूह्ये तदर्थयति वेत्थ किञ्चित्.
Uttamam. So Arambhagatam, that is the only place where you missed the Mahaprana. And Bruhye Tadarthai Yadi. These are the two places. Apart from that, the pronunciation was good. Yeah. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Bhushini PV. I have unmuted you. Can you tell the 74th shloka? Bhushini, you are on self-mute. Okay, I'll go to Mohana.
Namaskara Mahoday.
Namaste.
Shanteshvataditya shanairvineshvacharya uttisthati yavadeshah tavadvijah kaschana vriddharupah kastvam kimadhyapayasit prachata.
Very good. Adhyapayasitya, that yakara was not sounded completely.
I will just say once more. Kimadhyapayasitya prachata.
Very good, very good. Uttamam. Very well recited. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Nagashri Ganesh. You're on self-mute.
Namaskara Mahodaya.
Namaste. The 75th you can tell.
शिष्यास्तमोचुर्भगवानसो नः गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत् गुरुः समस्तोपनिषत्स्वतन्त्रः अनेन दूरीकृतभेदवादम् अकारिशारीरकसूत्रभाष्यम्
Uttamam. Well recited. Dhanyavadaha. Shesha NR. You can tell the 77th shloka.
सप्राह जीवः is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. धन्यवादः. सप्राह जीवः करणावसादे संवेष्टितो गच्छति भूतसूक्ष्मैः काण्डिश्रुतौ गौतमधेर्वलीय प्रश्नोत्तराभ्यां प्रदितोऽयमर्थः.
Uttamam. So Tandishrutau, since it is a Sanyuktakshara, a bit of stress is required. Tandishrutau Gautama Jaivali Yap Prashnottarabhyam. So wherever there's a Sanyuktakshara, in general we'll have to give a little more stress. And since it is a word ending or in between the two words, etc., we will have to show that stress. Apart from that, it was well recited. Dhanyavadaha.
Shrutau, is it?
Sorry?
Stress on Shrutau, is it?
Yeah, Shru. Shru is a Sanyukta Akshara. It is formed based on Sha and Ra. So Tandish Shrutau. Similarly, Jaivaliya Prashnottara. On this also we'll have to give the stress. Anywhere there is a Sanyukta Akshara, we'll have to give the stress. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. So next one, Shyamala Ramachandran.
Yes. Namaskara.
Namaste.
78, right? 70.
Yes.
Evam vadantau yatirak vijendrau vilokya pashvastita padmapadah acharya maheti mahisuroyam vyaso hi vedanta rahasya vetta.
Uttamam. Only thing is Parshvasthita. That is a Mahaprana. That was not told. Apart from that, it was good pronunciation.
Vilokya Pashvastita Padmapadah.
The first Sthita. Yeah, that is right.
Sthita.
Yeah, Dhanyavadaha. Next, Surya Narayan.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
I will chant this 79th sloka. Iti idhamakanyavacho vichitram sabhashyakrit sutra krutam didrukshuhu.
Yeah.
Didrukshuhu krutanjalistam prayata pranamya bhabhana vanim navapadma rupam navapadya rupam.
Yes, Navapadya Rupam. Okay. So 2 points. Yes, sir. 2 points to note. Didrukshuhu, we shouldn't stress on it is not Didrukshuhu, it is Didrukshuhu because
okay.
It is Dakara and Rikara. Basically, it is just a Gunitakshara.
Didrukshuhu.
Yes, perfect. That is right. And one more is Prayata Pranamya.
Prayata Pranamya. Shall I repeat it, sir, if you permit me?
Yes, sure.
If time permits.
Yes.
Iti dhamakanyavacho vichitram sabhashya krut sutra krutam didrukshuhu krutanjalistam prayata pranamya babhana vanim navapadya rupam.
Yeah, Padya Rupam. Okay, there's no Mahaprana there, but yeah, the pronunciation was. Yeah, Dhanyavadaha.
Navapadya. Dhanyavadaha, Prabhu.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next, Uma Maheshwari. You're unmuted. Uma Maheshwari, can you please tell 80th shloka? Ram. Yes.
Vaipayana swagatamastu dubhyam drishtva bhavantam charitamayartaha युद्धं तदेव तत्त्वयि सर्वकालं परोपकारव्रतदीक्षितत्वात्.
Can you please repeat the third line?
युद्धं ततेतद्वयि सर्वकालं परोपकारव्रतदीक्षितत्वात्.
Okay. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. So next, Uma Narayan, 81. Can you tell Uma Narayanan? Okay, I will go to the next student, Pradeep Hiramande.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste Gargi.
अकार्यत्साहसमात्मबुद्ध्या भवत्प्राशिष्य पदेशभाजा विचार्य तत्सूक्ति दुरुक्तिजालम् अर्हः समीकर्तुमिदं कृपालुः.
Uttamam. So one place, bhavat prashishya, not pra. Bhavat prashishya padesha bhaja.
भवत्प्रशिष्य व्यपदेशभाजा.
Uttamam. Very good. Very well recited. So you can practice by next week and tell it correctly. Dhanyavadaha. Kiran Keshava.
नमस्ते महोदय.
Namaste.
इत्थं निगद्योपरतस्य हस्तात् हस्तद्वयेनादतरः सभाष्यम् आदाय सर्वत्र निरीक्षतासौ प्रसादगाम्भीर्यगुणाभिरामम्.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. I think we have covered all the shlokas, and due to the paucity of time, I will have to wind up the class here. There was one question, so I'll try to answer that. Mohana, can you tell what is the question you have? I have unmuted you. What is the doubt you have in 88 shloka?
Mahoday, the English translation, should it
Right.
be, I'm just saying, forgive me for interrupting you
No
and
problem.
asking you this question.
No problem.
It says, it is befitting of you to give your darshan. So it
Right.
should be, it is befitting of you to give me darshan. It should be me.
No, okay.
So I'm just kind of, that confuses me, the whole thing, the English.
Okay, understood. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
No problem. So probably yes, it is befitting of you to give me your darshan. Okay, maybe I missed that me in this word. Okay, that's right.
It changes the whole, so just sorry again for interrupting.
No problem. It will be much clearer if I put the word me. It is befitting of you to give me your darshan. Okay.
Darshan, yeah.
I will include that. Okay, dhanyavadaha.
Even Mahoday, the befitting word, it makes it looks as though I am better than you. When you say I don't know, there also there's something. It needs to be a little polished. I will send it to you. Okay. Thank you, Mahoday. Sorry again.
No problem. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, with that, probably we should be able to end our class. Before that, I wanted to share one of the articles or the meanings that have been written by one of the students of the class, which is with Jaladhar. So if you go to Advaita Advaita list, basically list.advaitavedanta.org, there you can actually find the posts written by Jaladhar Vyas. I'm just showing one of the posts. So he has explained in detail in English, basically the shlokas of the Shankar Digvijaya Sara shlokas in English. And those of you who are interested can please go through this it will be of much use to all of us. And another one I had also shared earlier. This is again from the ebook which is available on Google Play Store. So this is the Shankara Digvijaya Sara ebook which is available. This also you can make use of, where there is Padacheda, Anvaya, and the Chandas and other information given along with the English meaning. So this will be of use for all of us to learn and understand the shlokas. So with that, probably we will wind up today's class. Bhavashankara Deshika Me Sharanam. Sarvebhyaha Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram. If you have any questions, please mail it to raghu.vyoma@gmail.com, and you can access all the course materials, etc. from our course page. Namo Namaha. Ram Ram Ram.